This is a SketchUp 8 video on how to create contour lines from Google Earth imagery or Google Earth terrain data. In SketchUp 8, I'm going to add my location. I'm going to type in Colorado, and I can zoom out just a little bit here. Click on Select Region. I can modify the region with these pins. Click Grab. It will bring in an image of that area. Also, if I click the Toggle Terrain button, it will show the terrain in that area. So an easy way to get contour lines is to draw a rectangle. I'm going to use the Move tool and put it at the bottom. I'm going to look at my hidden geometry. So just use the Move tool and I'll snap it down to the bottom there. If I want it to go even lower, I can. I'll just move it on the blue axes, or you can use the arrow keys. Now I'm going to copy it up at different intervals. So right about there is fine. So I'll copy it up. I'm going to use the Control key or the Option key on the Mac. Move it up along the blue axes. I'll type in 10 feet, enter, and then I'll type in 50x for 50 copies, enter. I probably need a couple more, so let's copy that one up, 10 feet, enter, and I'll say 20x, enter, or 30x, enter, 40x. Okay, so we've got a whole bunch of these slices, and all I have to do is just do a crossing window right there. I'm going to go ahead and just make that a group. Just that way I can just move it around easy. I've got a shortcut for group, so all I did is just right click on it and make group. And then I'm going to go inside my group and do a Control A, and that's Apple A, select all. I'm going to make that a group, and then I'll just do a intersect with model. So just right click on it and intersect with model. So it's going to take a second here, but it's going to intersect all those faces. Whenever SketchUp is thinking, I usually just put my cursor at the top. Once I can highlight one of the menus, then I know it's done thinking. So I made that a group, and I'm just going to delete this, and I have all these lines right here now, and those are a group as well, so I can move those lines around. So you have 3D contour lines. I just moved them on the... I'm going to turn off my layers, so you just go to your... I got my layers over here. That's the problem with working with two screens. You have too much space. I'll just bring it back over here. So turn off my layers, and so you can see we've got our terrain there. A couple of cool things you can do. I can go camera, I can turn off the perspective, I can look at some of my face styles, which is styles. So then I can just click on, oops, not that one, sorry, it's the views. So click on the top view, and so you could export this out as an AutoCAD file. So just go File, Export, a 3D model. This is the Pro version of SketchUp. So you can export out, let's do that again, File, Export, 3D model, and you can export out a DWG file type. Just move my screen here so you can see it. DWG file type. So those will be lines that were brought into AutoCAD. And that's really about it. So just 3D contour lines from Google Earth terrain. Thanks for watching.